Hey there, quick demo of my prototype of what I call the baby bell, which is a doorbell that you can silence for when the baby sleeps, for example. So now it's in enabled mode and it triggers the relay in hardware. And when I switch it off in Home Assistant, the LED changes to red. Relay no longer triggers, but the button state still updates in Home Assistant for sending notifications. And you can also go the other way and ring the bell from other automations, from sensors or whatever. So that's it. Hopefully I can turn this into a product and put it on my website, so stay tuned.